Hello student, I have come with the previous year question paper. This is the question paper from 2021, and before this I have made two videos, one from that previous year question paper 2022 and last year also 2023 question papers. We have discussed those all questions which is necessary the point of board examination, and now we will also discuss on these questions. It's necessary. It's 2021, so it's the time of COVID. That time it was made first time. It's very short question paper. It had maximum marks 40 marks and allowed for 90 minutes. So now let's start that how they have made their general instruction. So this question paper contains 60 questions, out of which 50 questions are to be attempted. All questions carrying equal marks. So you have read properly these all things, understood that total 60 questions are given here, but 50 you have to attempt questions properly, and all questions carry equal marks. It's given here. So second, this question paper consists of four sections: section A, B, C, D. And section A contains 24 questions. Attempt any 20 questions from question number 1 to 24. Section B contains 22 questions. Attempt any 18 questions from the question number 25 to 46. Section C contains 12 questions, case-based questions. Attempt any 10 questions from question number 47 to 58. Section D contains 2 map-based questions. Attempt both questions. Next, seventh, the first 20 questions in section A and 18 questions in section B and 10 questions in section C attempted by a candidate will be evaluated. Next, there is only one correct option for every multiple choice question, MCQs. In short, we say mark will not be awarded for answering more than one option. So it's given that you have to attempt 50. So if you are attempting 60 questions, then marks will be not given for that. Okay, it's given 60 questions and you have to attempt 50 questions to be attempted here. There is only one correct options for the multiple choice question. We have read this. Now there is no negative marking. It's also given in that time there was no negative marking. I am just coming with this short question paper because you know that in board examination what happened, that questions are being repeated. Although you will get here many MCQ type questions which will be very helpful for you for your board examination, because there are MCQ types of questions, and right now the weightage of MCQ questions is very high, you know very well. So there are 20 marks MCQ questions, and in board examination what happened, previous year questions are being repeated. So as we have also discussed in previous year question paper 2022, and in right now when I was making video on 2023, that times that most of the people have watched that video, and they have seen that how much questions are being defeated, and these questions now right now it's containing maximum marks 80 marks. So 20 marks comes from MCQ section, and then we have also discussed these all things. So you need to be aware with these MCQ questions because it's very important for your board examination. So let's start from here. Section A, industrial big. So first here, attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. There is given 24 questions and you have to attempt only 20 questions, which we have also covered here. Now see, industrialization began in which one of the following European countries in the second half of the 18th century? So you have four options. You can see options and you can tick your answer, or you can choose your answer. I am not coming with these all options because it will take too much time. So I will just read these all questions and you can find your exact answer, because answer is given very easy and in easy way, and it's you can practice yourself also after pausing the video. You can write your exact answer. Okay, fine. Now let's start. Which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? So you can see these all options. Okay, now next I am turning the page. Now let's start from here. Which one of the following group of the countries collectively defeated Napoleon in 1815? It's very interesting. You can see four options. I'm not keeping my pencil there. You can find your exact answer. In which one of the following countries did the first liberalist nationalist upheaval take place in July 1830? So you can find your answer. It's practice time. Who among the following remarked when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? So it's very interesting and it's very easy also if you have completed. Now next, who among the following was the architect for the unification of Germany? So it's very really interesting and easy if you have completed, and it's important because in board exams these questions are being repeated. I have already told you. So let's start from here. Question number 7. Who among the following had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic during 1830s? We have four options. Here see. In which one of the following state is overgrazing the main reason for land degradation? It's very interesting. These questions are being repeated. See, guess properly. Same questions are repeated in last years also. I will discuss with the previous year, more previous year question paper also, and then I will show you that how these questions are being repeated here. So let's start. Identify the soil which ranges from the red to brown in color and saline in nature. Find four options. Which one of the following forces leads a maximum soil erosion in plains? So see, you have four options and find your answer. Deforestation due to the mining has caused severe and land degradation in which one of the following states. So you have four options. You can choose the exact answer. Now come with these are important question here. Question number 12. Who among the following was proclaimed the king of United Italy in 1861? See, you have these four options. Find the exact answer. Which one of the following subjects is included in the union list? So you have four options. Now you can get exact. Which one of the following elements is not included in the Belgium model? See, these are options. Now let's, which one of the following countries is the example of holding together federation? So you can easily find, it's very interesting and easy. The question number 16, which one of the following ethnic communities is in the majority in Sri Lanka? See how questions are being taken. Which one of the following subjects is included in the state list? These are really very important and interesting because we have covered these all content in our previous video lecture where we have completed all social science chapters. If you have not completed, then you can keep revision from those all important content. They has given those necessary and important contents which is very helpful for you to find the answer properly. So next, activities that help in the development of primary and secondary sectors come under which one of the following sectors? It's very interesting. See, next, identify the correct feature of the unitary form of government from the following options. So you can find four options. At the initial stages of development, which one of the following sectors was the most important of economic activity? So you can also give your answer exactly here. Now, activity in which natural products are changed into other forms come under which one of the following sectors? See, you have four options. The products received by the exploiting natural resources come under which one of the following sectors? See how much interesting is given here. Options are so easy, interesting. So now next, which one of the following factors is mainly responsible for declining water level in India? See, this four is given. Now, which one of the following subject is included in the concurrent list? See how much questions are being repeated again and again. State list, concurrent list, and then these all things are being given here. So now we will let's start with section B. How they have given. See, that time the questions was being given in previous term 2021. Two statements are given below as ascertain for A and reasoning for R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. To ascertain A, after Russia occupation in Poland, the Russian language was imposed on its people. Reason, the use of the Polish soon came to be a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. So see your option here in given and you can find your exact answer, and see this was the pattern of 2021. Getting? So in 26 the same questions are being given from this para, you can say from this context, and that read the facts and regarding the revolution of the liberals in Europe during 1848 and choose the correct option. So you can find these all things. Now in 27 it's also given that two statements are given below as ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate action. So ascertain A is given, weavers in Silesia had led to the revolt against the contractor in 1845, and reason R, contractors had drastically reduced their payments. So it is given here and its option will be I think given in next page, so you can furtherly see from here. Yes, it is given here. Both ascertain A and these four options. I am not going to read all the options because it will take too much time. So now let's start from here. On which of the following modern aspects did the New Germany place a strong emphasis? See, you have four options there given. Now, which one of the following Italian states was ruled by Italian princely houses? See four options and find your exact answer and evaluate yourself. Identify the characteristics of the caver among the following and choose the correct option. So you have four options. The next two statements are given below as ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. Given, see here. So they have given their ascertain. In Britain, the formation of nation state was not the result of a sudden upheaval, and reason are ethnic groups of the Britain extend their influence. So you can see here, and it's four option you can also understand. Now next, which among the following is not the problem of resource development? So see, you have four option and you can easily fulfill these all things. Now I will come with question number 33. Question number 33, which one of the following human activity has contributed the most in land degradation? So it's very interesting. You can see four options. Again, this question has come. Two statements are given below as ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. So ascertain A is given, Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from the cereals to high value crop. And reason they are given, this will increase the income and reduce the environmental degradation simultaneously. Getting? So you have four options. You can choose your correct option and you can evaluate yourself. I will come with you now. Next question is question number 35. It is being given here. Now two statements are given below as the ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. So ascertain A is, majority community is dominate in a few democratic states, and reason R, dominance can undermine the unity of the country. So you have four options. You can see these kinds of questions are raised many times here, so you can easily understand and you can find your answer. So you can see now next two statements are given below as the ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. So ascertain A, power sharing is good, and reason R, it helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. And now you have four options. You can choose the correct option here. Now I will come with question number 37. Choose the correct pair among the following. So you have given here just like box. In box it's given two parts. The one part, in one part is given country name and its administration. So you can find the exact answer and you can pair these all things properly, which is correct. So they are saying which is correct pair, so you can find it's okay. That's very interesting. Two statements again they have given here in 36. You see here two statements are given here below to the ascertain A and reasoning R. Reasoning R, read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. So ascertain A, the distrust between the Sinhalese and Tamil communities turned into widespread conflict in Sri Lanka. Reason R, 1956 Act recognized Sinhala as a only official language. So you have four options. You can choose correct answer. And identify horizontal power sharing arrangement among the following in modern democracies. So you have four options also given here. You can easily find out these all things properly. So these are the base of these questions, which will be very helpful for you. And now next questions are also being given here, so we can fulfill these all part properly. See, it is given that it will be very helpful for you to complete your MCQ type question, which will be very helpful for your examination. Match column A1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. It's given column 1 and column 2. You can see and you can get your exact answer, correct answer. Next, which of the following countries is an example of coming together federation? It's very interesting. So you can find out this. You have four options. You can choose correct answer. What is not an integral part of the government? So see here four options and you can find your exact answer. Next, 43. Two statements are given below as the ascertain A and reasoning R. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. So ascertain given there. Okay, I'm making in frame. Ascertain being given here there that Kerala has low infant mortality rate. And reason, Kerala has adequate provision of basic health and education facilities. Now you have four options. You can see properly. Now suppose there are four families in your locality. The average per capita income of whom is 10,000. If the income of three families is 6,000, 8,000 and 14,000 respectively, so what would be the income of the fourth family? See, the same question is being repeated in year 2023, last year. Yes, exactly. I'm saying that these all question paper are very important for you. These all questions are very important. Previous year question makes more aware that how questions are being repeated. This is the question we are discussing. It's question paper of 2021, and you can see in last year same question is being repeated there. So you need to be aware with this question paper and keep practice properly. Which one of the following sectors shows the highest share in gross domestic product GDP in India? So you can see furtherly, and which one of the following sectors shows the highest share in employment in 2017 and 18 in India? So you have four options. You can find the exact answer. Now I will come with a section C. So in section C, it's given we are covering these all question paper from Sivdas series, where you can find that all the questions paper are being given from last year. So you can also do from there if you want to take, or if you want to practice from here, then you can practice carefully. So see, in section C, this section consists two cases, A and B. There are total 12 questions in the section A. Attempt any 5 questions from each case. So case 1, see, case based question is being given. Read the source given below. Attempt any 5 question and out of 6 question. Question number 47 to 52 questions. So now zooming, the slash and bird agriculture is known as milpa in Mexico and Central America, conco. In Venezuela, it's roca, and Brazil, mesol. In Central Africa, ladang. In Indonesia, ray. In Vietnam, ladang. Ladang in Indonesia and ray in Vietnam. In India, the primitive form of cultivation is called bewar. see this, okay, it's given in case study, but this topic is very important for your MCQ type question also. Or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pama, Dabi or Koman or Bring in Odisha or Bringa in Odisha. It's being given. Now let's some more content are here, and then questions are being given here. Kumari in Western Ghats, the Valais or the Voltaire in southeastern Rajasthan, the Khil in the Himalaya belt, Kuruva in Jharkhand, and Zooming in northeastern region. So now questions are being given from here, that how is primitive subsistence agriculture related with zooming? So you have four options. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Konku in which one of the following countries? See, this is being given from this stanza, and you can easily find answer from there. Next, the slash and burn agriculture is known as Roka in which one of the following countries? So interesting, it's being given here from, everything is from being given here. Identify the major problem from the zooming cultivation. You have four options, you can complete. And in India, slash and burn agriculture is known as Bewar, in which one of the following states, which I was also telling that it's very important. So you can understand it's being given from there. Now next, this question number 52. It's a match column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. In column 1, you are getting these states name, and in column 2, you are getting this name that which is we have read here. So you can match these all things. After that, you have one more stanza where you are getting that case-based study. It's again given here. One more case-based study. Read the source given below. Attempt any 5 questions out of 6 questions. Question number 1, 53 to 58. So now it's given from 53 to 58. So take a case of Lakshmi with her 2-hectare plot of unirrigated land. The government can spend some money, or banks can provide a loan to construct a well for her family to irrigate the land. Lakshmi will then be able to irrigate her land and take a second crop, wheat, during the Rabi season. Let us suppose that 1 hectare of wheat can be provide employment to 2 people for 50 days, including sowing, watering, fertilizer application, and the harvesting. So 2 more members of the family can be employed in her own field. Now suppose a new dam is constructed and the canal are dug to irrigate many such farms. This could lead to the lot of employment generation within the agriculture sector itself, reducing the problem of unemployment. So now it's for the it is a para, it's being given here. Now you have to find the answer from here. Which one of the following economic sector is Lakshmi related to? So you can find from here. Which one of the following categories of farmers is Lakshmi related to? So you can get answer from here. And in which one of the following sectors is underemployment seen as at maximum? So you can also find answer these all things here. How does construction of dams, canals create employment in large numbers in rural area? So you can easily find these all answer properly from here. And now some more options are from that side. So I'm just turning this page. Then you can be able to understand these all properly. Yes. So 2 options are given here. 3 options are given here. Now a large number of techniques are technicians are also required, and then adjustment of large number of unskilled laborers. Executive and administrators can easily be adjusted. Now question number 57. Which one of the following is the main result of increasing irrigation facilities in the field of agriculture? So you have 4 options, you can do easily. Which one of the following means of the irrigation generally comes under the public sector? So well, tube well, tank, canal, these all things are given here, and you can complete everything properly. So now next map based question that is being given here. So 59 and 69 are mandatory. So that times how it was being asked on the given outline map of India. A is marked as a dam. Identify from the following option. So you can find see you have four options and you can easily see in map and you can complete this answer. See in map. A, they are talking about A here. Now on the map B, mark the largest jute producer state. Identify the from the following option. So you have C option B. It's being given here, and you have four options. You can easily fulfill. And these are at the end. It was given for that visually. The following questions are visually impaired candidates only in lieu of the question number 15 and 60 map based question. This is given here. So which one of the following dam is located in Odisha? It's being given option. Which one of the following states is the largest producer of jute? So you can see here. Thus, after completing this, we have completed this whole previous year question paper of 2021, and I will come with more previous year question paper. And it's very important for you to understand these all concepts, because you are knowing that these all previous year questions are the base of an examination. So in board examination, generally questions are also being repeated. We have found many questions here. So keep your revision, and I will come with more previous year question paper, and keep continue. And I have made those a series where I have completed those all chapters from um, social science, and you can revise from there. You can learn those all important facts and contents, because you know that in very short questions there are only 40 marks, only 40 words limit is given there. In short types of answer you can write around 60 words, and in long types of questions you have to write around 120 words, not more than 120 words. And you know that now it's a question pattern, its full marks is given 80 marks. So, and out of 80 you are getting 20 marks from MCQ. So there is very big important section is MCQ section, so you need to be aware. And these previous year question paper of 2021 and 2022, it's almost based on MCQ type of questions, so it's very helpful for you to understand the patterns of word, and questions are also being repeated. So keep your practice and keep revision.